Well, it's a city where football is a big part of the local culture. Welcome to the Mestalla here in Valencia. I'm Derek Ray. My co-commentator is the former Arsenal fullback Lee Dixon, and we should have a pulsating game of football for you. It's Barcelona against Paris Saint Germain.
Thanks, Derek. Yeah, really looking forward to both teams producing entertaining football. Let's see if we get that.
It doesn't matter for how long you've been covering this great game of football. It's still a joy to watch Lionel Messi at his best, and he very often is at his best, Lee.
Well, very few players I'd pay good money to watch, and I'd pay a ticket entrance for him, that's for sure. Every single game he plays, he gives me something. Even if he doesn't play well, just watching him move on the pitch, it's just fantastic.
Well, this is what we think for Barcelona. Well, stylistically, they are a side designed to almost cherish the ball. Do you expect to see more of that, Lee?
Yeah, absolutely, Derek. It's great to watch. Not so nice to play against. Just when you think you've got a chance of winning it, bang, it's gone. So are the men, and they're in behind you.
And here is the initial 11 for Paris Saint Germain. And they are a team, Lee, known for their aggressive high pressing.
Well, absolutely. That takes a lot of hard work, a lot of organisation, force the opposition to make early passes. The weakness of it, if you beat the high press, you can get exposed at the back.
Sergio Roberto. Now Busquets. Jong. Griezmann. An important interception. Here is Juan Bernat. This is Neymar. Gay. And now passing it through. Well, he took care of it defensively. Idrissa Gay. Gay. Bernat. Bernat. And now Gay. And the cross is very much on. Veering in field here. Tremendous block. Griezmann. It's the high pressure, high intensity approach. And now this is Longley. Sergio Busquets. Longley. Now Jordi Alba. Artur. De Jong. Artur has it. Passing it with a bit of panache. And won by Verratti. Gay. Here's Mbappe. Strong play here on the shielding front. No foul. PSG advantage. Surely! Ter Stegen, it's an unbelievable save. It's a short one. Di Maria. It's wholehearted defending, and the concession of a corner here. And fired over by Angel Di Maria. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Verratti. Verratti. Gay. Here's Cavani. My goodness, the importance of getting there was not lost on the keeper. De Jong. Sergio Busquets. Frankie de Jong. Sergio Roberto. Messi. A bit sloppy in possession. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Bernat giving the ball to the opposition that time. An abundance of space. And Suarez is in there. Read it magnificently and intercepted. Di Maria now. Cavani. Lionel Messi. Sergio Roberto. Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. Bernat. Verratti now. Given away. Artur. Suarez. Now Griezmann. De Jong. Going well. He succeeds in clearing it. He's protecting it effectively.
So tight this game. Who's going to break the deadlock? Be brave, be a hero, take chances.
And threaded through by Mbappe. Well, not really a shooting moment he's going to be especially proud of, Lee.
Well, he did have other options, but he thought, you know what, I'm just going to have a go.
Frankie de Jong. Suarez. Artur. Sergio Roberto. Lionel Messi. Sergio Busquets. And out of play for a Paris Saint Germain throw-in. Neymar. Verratti now. Here is Juan Bernat. Verratti. This is Neymar. And the advantage is with PSG. And the referee has decided to award the free kick to PSG. Wide of the target, and he's going to be disappointed.
Disappointed? Wow, it's a shocker. He should be doing a lot better than that.
Piqué. Sergio Roberto. Artur. Sergio Roberto. Sergio Busquets. Lionel Messi. De Jong. Patient build-up at the moment. Running with the ball confidently. Will he play it in? Cutting the ball back. Thiago Silva's block. Is it going to be a productive moment for Barcelona? Corner. Griezmann tasked with taking the corner. Marquinhos with the block. Lionel Messi! So the corner played into the box. Keylor Navas with a terrific save.
Absolutely genius.
Well, the first 45 minutes have come and gone here in Catalonia.
Anaïs, Anaïs, le plus tendre des parfums. Amaro Montenegro, sapore vero. Per un veterinario la giornata non è mai finita, ma è il mio lavoro e l'ho scelto io. Arrivare appena in tempo da un puro sangue. Queste sono le mie soddisfazioni. Questa gente, questi profumi, cose uniche, come Amaro Montenegro. Amaro Montenegro lo riconosci subito. Ha un sapore che non ti sbagli. Amaro Montenegro, sapore vero.
Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Di Maria. Idrissa Gueye. Now Meunier. Di Maria. Cavani. Fluency of movement. And the Parisians have lost possession. Piqué. Sergio Busquets. Well, the man at the hub of most things creative is Lionel Messi, but has that been the case in this game, Lee?
Well, it's not been a great first half of football as far as he's concerned. He seemed a little bit sluggish to me, Derek. Easy for the back line to pick him up. Needs more movement.
Cavani. And now Gueye. Meunier. Idrissa Gueye. Cavani. Verratti. Bernat. Gueye. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. Mbappe. Neymar waiting to take it on. Well, clattered away. A chance to whip it in. Bernat. Gueye. Gueye. Great defending from Busquets. De Jong. Now Griezmann. Suarez. And offside it is. Substitution time it is. Half an hour remaining then. Now Meunier. Di Maria. Verratti. This is Neymar. Here's Mbappe. And that's an important intervention. Verratti. Mbappe. Every pass hitting its target. Di Maria. And return to Verratti. Di Maria. Mbappe. And return to Verratti. Good-looking sequence. Di Maria. Now Gay. And blocked by Piqué. Vidal. Suarez. Griezmann. Vidal. Now here's Arturo Vidal. De Jong. This is Vidal. Can he give them the lead? Well, it was fired straight at the keeper. No real difficulties for him.
No, decent positioning from the goalkeeper. Poor shot, to be honest with you.
Well, he's going to be disappointed with that pass. He's in control of the situation. Cavani. Verratti. Read it magnificently and intercepted. And Neymar. Verratti. Cavani. Gay. Here's Mbappe. Mbappe! We wondered if a goal was forthcoming, but it has arrived now.
Well, finally the deadlock has been broken. Not long to go now. How will that affect the opposition? Well, I just love to look at perfect technique, and you won't get any better than this. It's just a dream strike. Brilliant, brilliant effort. Well, the manager's showing signs of frustration. They need to improve if they're going to get something out of this game, Derek.
And underway again here with PSG in front. Sergio Roberto. Now here's Arturo Vidal. De Jong. De Jong. Now Busquets. Well, in the second half, trailing, albeit by a small margin. How should they be viewing this task, Lee?
Well, when a game is so close like this, Barcelona will feel that there's one more goal out there. More balls in the box, more intensity, try and force the issue.
Cavani. This is Neymar. Here is Juan Bernat. Verratti now. Neymar. Verratti. Gay. Happy to take on the shot. Ter Stegen was never under pressure. Well, they did have the ball, but not anymore. Bernat. Mbappe. And the advantage is with PSG. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. And a substitution in the offing. Neymar has a go here. And the post coming to the goalkeeper's aid. Off the frame of the goal earlier, but now the keeper has it and can exhale.
David Seaman always said the woodwork was his best friend. Certainly helped the keeper out there.
1 minute remaining. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Defenders need to cover. Well, it fizzled out. Bernat. Here's Mbappe. Di Maria. Gay. And there goes the final whistle.